Use the tape distances function when you can only measure one point or one side of a structure and you want to key in the remaining sides with measurements from a tape measure or a laser rangefinder. Often, when you do a total station survey, you can only see one side of the building and you don't want to do another setup to measure the other side of the building. Or in a GNSS survey, when some building corners are in bad GNSS environments, such as where there's a veranda or an overhang covering the corner. The tape distance routine can be started from one point in a direction or 2 points defining that direction. From the starting point, each tape line is set at a 90-degree angle to the previous side. Navigate to the tape distances window and select either 1 point or 2 points. In the method field, determine how you want to start your measurements. This video will cover the 1 point method first. Select your start point or tap measure to measure a new point. Enter an elevation or tap the triangle to select the elevation of your start point. Then tap in the map to define the direction of your first side and input the corresponding length. You can now see a preview of the line in the map. To confirm that side, tap Add. Now, tap to the left or right of your last point to define the direction of the next side. Input the side's length and tap Add. Follow this process for all of your lines around the structure. To finish the structure, you need to tie into a second known point. This cannot be the start point when you're using the 1 point method. Tap the desired endpoint and input the measured distance in the length field. The misclosed values will now appear, showing the deviation from the expected length. To change any of the lengths, tap Edit. Once you're satisfied with your structure and your misclosed values are reasonable, tap Adjust and distribute any error throughout your structure, maintaining all 90-degree angles. Or tap Add to directly connect to the endpoint. This workflow can also be completed using the 2 point method. This gives you more accurate results, as the direction of the first line is based on 2 known points. We recommend that you always use this method if possible. Enter or measure a start and end point, then enter an elevation. Tap Accept, and this defines that first side of your structure. Now complete the same steps as the 1 point method, taping around the building and adjusting out the misclose. You can tap Store at any time to save the lines and points you've made without needing to tie into a known point. Thanks for watching this video on tape distances. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.